Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. It's a very warm, relatively warm, unseasonably warm January morning. And there's a cache that I haven't found near the post office in York. And I thought, why not go and have a look? Cue titles. Right, according to the app, we're about half a mile away, just shy of actually. And I've now got to get across that main road. Now there is a geocache just through those trees there, which I found a little while ago. Well, that's not the one we're looking for today. Let's have a look at the old Apparuni, 0.2 miles away. Nothing particularly exciting to see on this trip today, I don't think. Ooh, look at those houses, they're unusual, aren't they, with the wooden walls. Don't I just bring you to all the best places? Whenever I see bits of flat ground like this sandwiched in urban areas, I do get the urge to stick a tent up. I'm going for a nosy, see if there's a quiet corner, see if we can get away with it somewhere. See, that is a really nice quiet corner. Only problem is, look, you're surrounded by observers. Who else out of the camping community gets a little bit envious when you see spots like this that are a little bit out of range? Look at that for a tree. It's quite epic, isn't it? Okay, according to this, we're not too far away now. 400 or so feet, and actually, because of where I have to go to get to it, I'm actually walking away from it. And that's because I have to go across here and then double back. See, that's better. We're now getting closer to it again. Very much in the heart of an industrial estate, this one. Those clouds are looking rather ominous. One of the reasons I thought this one would be a good one to do today, though, is even though this is in an industrial estate, with it being a bank holiday, I knew much of it would be closed. Thinking ahead. Found it! Right, so I'm just going to sign the log up for this and then pop it back. If you like this little video, by all means, you know the stuff. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. The choice is yours. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, hit the subscribe and the bell, and then you'll get a notification whenever I upload another video. And I know you don't like missing out. Well, I hope you don't. Anyway, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.